BridgePay is Cricket Wireless's payment processing platform. If you're seeing BridgePay not working or payment failed errors, it's usually due to technical glitches, network issues, or account problems. First, ensure your Cricket Wireless app is updated to the latest version. Outdated versions are a primary cause of errors. Next, check Cricket's status page at cricketwireless.com/status for any reported server outages. If BridgePay continues to fail, try alternative payment methods like PayPal or direct bank transfer. As a last resort, call Cricket support at 1-800-274-2538 for manual assistance. Remember to clear your app cache and disable any VPNs, as these can interfere with the payment process. Verify all card details are correct and consider using a debit card instead of a credit card to avoid potential blocks. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your BridgePay issues, contact Cricket support to request a payment reset code that can clear account-specific errors. Enable two-factor authentication within the Cricket app to add an extra layer of security and reduce the risk of payment failures. Be aware that peak usage times, such as bill due dates, can cause payment delays due to increased server load. For recurring issues, check community forums like r/Cricket Wireless for user-shared solutions and workarounds. Looking ahead, Cricket is implementing AI-driven support to automatically diagnose and resolve payment issues in real time. Contactless payment options like Apple Pay are being integrated to reduce error rates and improve user experience. Future updates will incorporate blockchain-based processing for enhanced security and fewer transaction failures. As 5G and 6G networks expand, maintain stable connections to prevent payment disruptions during processing. By 2026, Cricket plans a complete BridgePay overhaul featuring advanced encryption for greater security.